You're healthy today, but what if tomorrow you end up in the ER with a bill that's higher than your car's price? Most people don't think about health insurance until it's too late, when they're sick, stuck with a mountain of bills. But what if you could protect yourself without wasting money? There's one mistake nearly everyone makes when choosing a health insurance plan, and it could cost you thousands. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right plan without getting ripped off. Number 1. Understand the basics of health insurance. Let's keep it simple. Health insurance is a contract. You pay a company some money every month, and they help cover your medical expenses when you need care. Think of it like a membership club for your health. You pay to be part of the club, and when you need services, the club pays part of the bill. The monthly amount you pay is called the premium. But that's not all. There's also something called a deductible. That's the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance starts paying. Example: if your deductible is $2,000 and you need surgery that costs $5,000, you pay the first $2,000. Then your insurance kicks in for the rest. There's also copays and coinsurance, small amounts you still pay when you go to the doctor, even after your deductible. And finally, there's an out-of-pocket maximum. Once you've paid that much in a year, your insurance covers 100% of covered services. Number 2. Figure out what you actually need. Health insurance isn't one size fits all. Are you young and healthy? You might not need a gold-plated plan with tons of coverage. But if you have a chronic condition like asthma or diabetes, or kids who seem to catch every cold in the book, you'll need more coverage. Here's the trap. Many people buy the cheapest plan just to check the box. But cheap can be expensive if it doesn't cover what you need. For example, a low-premium plan might come with a $7,000 deductible. That's fine until you break your ankle and realize you're on the hook for almost all of it. Ask yourself, how often do I go to the doctor? Do I take regular medications? Any upcoming surgeries or baby plans? This isn't just insurance. It's a safety net. Make sure it fits. Number 3. Compare the different plan types. There are a few main types of plans: HMO, PPO, EPO, and POS. Sounds like alphabet soup, right? Let's decode it. HMO plans are the cheapest, but they're strict. You have to choose doctors in the network, and you need a referral to see a specialist. PPO plans give you more freedom. You can see any doctor you want, and you don't need a referral. But you'll pay more for that flexibility. EPO is a mix. It covers you only in-network, but no referrals needed. POS is like HMO, but with a little wiggle room to go out of network at a higher cost. Example: if you travel a lot or see multiple specialists, a PPO may save you time and frustration. But if you rarely go to the doctor and just want coverage for emergencies, an HMO could be a cheaper choice. Each plan type fits a different lifestyle. Choose based on how you live, not just what's cheapest. Number 4. Know the costs beyond the premium. Let's say you find a plan for $100 a month. Sounds amazing, right? But what if the deductible is $8,500? Now imagine you get into an accident and rack up $9,000 in hospital bills. You'll be responsible for most of it, even though you had insurance. That's why you must look beyond just the premium. Here are the costs to consider. Premium, your monthly bill. Deductible, what you pay before insurance kicks in. Copay, fixed fee for visits, like $25 for a doctor visit. Coinsurance, a percentage. You pay, like 20% of the bill. Out-of-pocket maximum, the most you'll pay in a year. All these numbers work together. Think of it like buying a car. The price tag is the premium, but the gas, insurance, and maintenance are the deductibles and copays. Always calculate the total cost, not just the monthly one. Number 5. Make sure your doctors and medications are covered. This one's sneaky. You might buy a plan thinking you're set, only to find your doctor isn't in-network or your prescription isn't covered. Boom. Now you're paying full price out of pocket. Before you choose any plan, check 2 things. Are your preferred doctors and hospitals in-network? Are your medications on the plan's formulary? A formulary is a fancy word for drug list. Each insurance plan has one. Example: let's say you take insulin. One plan may cover it with a $10 copay. Another may not cover it at all. It takes 5 minutes to check, and it could save you thousands. Number 6. Understand the metal tiers. Health plans are divided into metal tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. No, you're not buying jewelry. These tiers tell you how much you pay versus how much the insurance pays. Bronze. Lowest premium, highest out-of-pocket costs. You pay more when you need care. Silver. Middle ground, balanced premiums and costs. Gold. Higher premiums, but lower costs when you use it. Platinum. Highest premiums, lowest out-of-pocket. Here's the twist. If you qualify for subsidies based on your income, silver plans can actually be cheaper and cover more. It's called a cost-sharing reduction, but it only applies to silver plans. So if you're making under a certain income, choosing silver could give you gold-level benefits without the price tag. Number 7. Take advantage of subsidies and tax credits. Many Americans qualify for help paying for insurance, but never apply because they don't know it exists. The Affordable Care Act offers premium tax credits that reduce your monthly bill. Example: if you're single and make under $55,000 a year, you could qualify. You can also get cost-sharing reductions that lower your deductible and copays. The government doesn't hand out cash. You just get a lower bill. Apply through healthcare.gov or your state's health insurance marketplace. Even if you don't think you qualify, it's worth checking. Too many people leave money on the table. Number 8. Watch out for short-term or junk plans. You'll find offers online for $50 health insurance. Sounds too good to be true. It is. These short-term or limited benefit plans often don't cover essential things like mental health, prescriptions, or maternity, and they can deny you based on pre-existing conditions. So if you buy one of these and later need surgery or cancer treatment, they might just say no. Always read the fine print. If it's not a plan from healthcare.gov or your employer, make sure it's ACA compliant. That means it covers the 10 essential health benefits. No questions asked. Number 9. Use the open enrollment window. You can't just sign up for health insurance whenever you want. There's a specific time each year called open enrollment. For most Americans, it runs from November 1st to January 15th. Miss it, and you'll need a special reason to apply, like losing a job, getting married, or having a baby. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They miss open enrollment, then get stuck without coverage for months. Mark your calendar. Even better, set a phone reminder for October so you can start shopping early. Number 10. Think long-term, not just next month. Don't choose a plan based only on today. A lot can change. Injuries, pregnancies, even job loss. Think about the entire year ahead. Will you need regular therapy? Are you planning to start a family? Do you have a condition that could flare up? Choosing the right plan is about protecting future you just as much as current you. Paying a little more each month could save your future self from drowning in debt. Number 11. Look at telehealth and virtual care options. In today's world, being able to talk to a doctor from home is a game changer. Many health plans now include telehealth services, letting you get care through video or phone without stepping into a clinic. That's great for minor illnesses like colds, rashes, or mental health check-ins. Some plans offer unlimited virtual visits. Others charge a small copay, like $15 per session. If you're someone who prefers convenience or lives far from clinics, this feature can make a huge difference. Before choosing a plan, check what kind of telehealth services are included and find out if it's available 24/7 or only during business hours. Number 12. Check for extra perks and wellness programs. Not all health plans are created equal. Even if they look similar on the surface, some come with bonus perks like gym memberships, dental discounts, or rewards for healthy habits. Others offer care coordination services, chronic condition management, or even free rides to medical appointments. Example: one popular insurer gives you a gift card when you complete an annual checkup. Another offers free coaching calls for weight loss or quitting smoking. These might not sound like a big deal, but over time they can save you money and improve your health. Always read the fine print. Those little extras may be what make one plan stand out from the rest. Number 13. Understand what's not covered. This one catches people off guard. Even the best health plans don't cover everything. Most don't pay for cosmetic surgery, adult dental care, fertility treatments, or long-term nursing home stays. If you have something specific in mind, like LASIK eye surgery or acupuncture, you'll need to double-check the policy. Also, be cautious about pre-approvals. Many plans require prior authorization before certain procedures. If you skip that step, they could deny your claim even if the treatment is medically necessary. Take 5 minutes to scan through what's excluded. It'll save you a lot of stress later. Number 14. If you're offered insurance at work, compare it. Employer health plans can be a great deal, but not always. Your job might offer a plan that costs less than buying through healthcare.gov, or it might offer a plan that covers fewer services but comes with better network access. Don't assume it's the best just because it's from your employer. Example, your job's plan might cost $180 a month with a $3,000 deductible. Meanwhile, a silver plan on the marketplace might cost $140 a month with better benefits if you qualify for subsidies. Always compare your options, especially during open enrollment. And if your spouse has a job too, compare both offers. One might cover the family better. Number 15. If you're over 26, don't wait until you're sick. Many young adults stay on their parents' health insurance until age 26. But once you hit that birthday, it's your responsibility. Some wait until something bad happens before buying a plan. But here's the catch. You can't just buy a plan after you're sick. You need to plan ahead. Example, you turn 26 in June. You have 60 days to enroll in a new plan during a special enrollment period. If you miss that window, you may have to wait until November. That's 5 months of risk. Don't play that game. Mark your birthday. Be ready. Future you will thank you. Number 16. Be honest when you apply. Lying on a health insurance application might save you a few dollars now, but it can cost you big later. Always give accurate information about your income, household size, and health conditions. If you underreport income and get more subsidies than you're entitled to, you'll owe the difference back during tax season. If you lie about a pre-existing condition on a short-term plan, they can cancel your coverage when you need it most. Honesty might not feel exciting, but it keeps your safety net strong. Number 17. Use an insurance broker or navigator if you're lost. Let's be real. Insurance is confusing. If you're stuck, don't guess. There are licensed insurance brokers and navigators who can walk you through everything for free. A broker can help you compare private plans. A navigator helps with healthcare.gov or state exchanges. Example, you can call a local nonprofit or visit healthcare.gov and click Find Local Help. They'll sit down with you, virtually or in person, and explain everything in plain English. It doesn't cost you anything. And sometimes, one conversation can save you hundreds. No one wants to think about getting sick. But here's the truth. Health insurance isn't just about saving money. It's about peace of mind. It's knowing that if life throws a curveball, a broken leg, a scary diagnosis, or even just the flu, you're not alone. So tell me, what's the most confusing part of health insurance for you? Let me know in the comments below.